I was literally getting goosebumps when I was seeing the energy of children. But one thing I wanted to tell you, particularly students of MS Natik Kshetra are here, you know that we have been watching a lot of stories here in the art form. So I thought I'll also tell you one story. There was a village, and in that village, people thought that, okay, let's make a temple. Now we know that the temples are made out of stones, right? The stones are carved. And they brought one person who is very famous of carving these idols. He was very famous mainly because he will understand the pulse of the stones. He will identify the best stone which can become the idol of that particular temple. So it was very difficult to get his appointment at that point of time. So somehow they got him. He came there. He started selecting the stones. He found out there was one particular stone which is really good, which has got all those qualities which can be considered to shape it into an idol. Now this is a fictional story. I told you it's a story. The moment he started chiseling it, the stone started crying. Oh no, I can't bear this pain. Please stop it. Okay, I told you it's a fiction. Stones can cry. So now, without the stone's permission, he cannot carve the idol. He moved to the next stone, which is also matching with the same kind of qualities. He started chiseling. That stone also felt the pain. But that stone chose to keep quiet. It thought that I have to bear this pain. I have to tolerate this pain. Then only that idol can be made. Months passed, years passed, there was a beautiful temple, and that particular stone which bore the pain, tolerated the pain, was placed as the idol. Whereas the first stone, though it was the best among all the stones, was placed in the step, where people would step onto it. So the moral I wanted to tell you today is, talent alone will not take you anywhere. Along with that, you need to have that capacity, that quality to take any challenge in your life, the dedication, the perseverance, the commitment, and on top of it, the gratefulness towards everything that is bringing the world to you. And if you're able to do that, definitely you will be able to reach the heights.